I'm Sudhir. Currently, I'm the Managing Director and CEO for J Robotics. Today, we are here for organizing the event called Robokit, which is the second edition. We have close to 28 teams participating in the final round of Robokit. We had close to 350 plus odd teams participate in the entire event, and we have seen a very huge interest from students coming up now. We had feedbacks saying that they just didn't learn how to program robots, how to build robots, but they have learned more about how to behave in the team, how to be more organized, and they have learned more about how to be practical. They have learned about how to apply science and math concepts in the real world. So there are so many other academic and non-academic subjects that they have actually practically experienced here today. And we have seen a couple of teams have also had their lifetime experiences in place. Something like, what should be done in the last minute and what should not be done in the last minute. Probably when you're there in the event, you find the pulse of what can be done with this event and what students actually learn with this event, and where this actually takes them on down the line is what is very important, and that's what we're trying to achieve with this entire story today. Apart from what they learn and what they do, what event it is basically students are building a robot which can follow a line logically. It can actually do a task that is predefined, and there's so many strategies in place, there's so many programming logics in place, and kids of 6th to 10th class, I mean, it's a very small age that we are targeting at, but those kids have done a marvelous job in terms of reaching or completing the task that you see at the back of my screen. We are working with kids, we are working with school kids, we are working with school kids for the last 2.5 years time, and we have gone through the entire journey of what makes them learn at a quicker and faster pace, what makes them learn practically, what makes them learn with more motivation in place. So we have done all this exercise, and this is the result of it. So today we are in a position to train a 6th or 7th class kid with lots of ease and lots of enthusiasm in place, in such a way that they can actually start building the robots right from 16th or 17th hours of training. So we do have online training programs. We do have robot kits which are self-learning. They can actually learn by themselves. So we have lots of kits coming up. We have lots of kits in place. We keep developing these kits down the line, and probably you'll see more kids participating in such events and such products.